A lot of singers don't really know the difference between this thing that I want to talk about. When you ask some people that which part do you sing? Some don't know. Some will give you one part like that. They might say alto. In fact, majority of female singers sing alto. Or the one that sings soprano may tell you that I sing treble. Yes, I sing treble. So you should know the difference, so you should know your parts. It's very, very important. So today I'll be telling you the difference between the classification of your voice and the harmony you are to sing. The classification of your voice is your voice. Go, 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 go. Oh, to go alatom. Just because you can harmonize song does not make you an alto singer. Does not make you a tenor singer. What makes you a tenor singer or alto singer or soprano singer is the classification of your voice. There are keys that you must be able to hit on the keyboard for us to know that this person can actually sing soprano. If you can sing from C4 to A5 on the keyboard, you're a soprano singer. You can take it from C4 to A5 or above, you're a soprano singer. You must be able to hit those notes well. From F3 to D5 on the keyboard, you're an alto singer. If you cannot hit more than those notes and you are telling me that you are a soprano singer, you are kidding me. Because you get to some range in soprano singing that you'll be stopped. You'll not be able to go again. The soprano is the highest female voice. So in harmony, the alto, the parts below soprano, third note below soprano, that's where you start your alto from. Then the fifth note below soprano or third note below alto, that's where you pick tenor from. Then for bass, third note below. What gives you those parts that you sing is the classification of your voice, and nobody can change it. So if you can sing from C4 to A5, you can hit those notes, and you're telling me that you're an alto singer, you will give alto virus. And that's where you discover that at times in the choir, some voice will be coming out tinier than the part they say they sing. So it will not blend, because that is not your range. So run now to your choir master or run now to your vocal coach and tell that person, ask that person, please come and help me. I want to know my voice. I want to know my range. If you're able to do that, like I've said, that's when you know whether you sing alto, soprano, or tenor. Tó bá tí mọ̀ yẹn, má dárúkọ ẹ̀. Bó wọn harmonize pẹ̀lú alto yẹn kò sọ ẹ́ di alto singer. Bó wọn harmonize pẹ̀lú tenor kọ́ ló jẹ́ kó di tenor singer. Classification of your voice òun ni o. So tó yẹn bá tí ní tó wá sọ fún mi pé alto yẹn because you can have sing harmony, you have missed it. Alright? So in a clear time now, classification of your voice is your identity. That's what you were created with. The harmony is the part you are asked to sing. It's your like an assignment. While classification of your voice, the part you sing is you. Go, 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 go. Do you really understand? I believe you understand. Thank you. My name is Wumi Wumdar. Till next time, I'll be coming your way with another thing that you need to know as a singer. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. God bless you.